Friends, today we are going to learn how to calculate NPV. NPV is a net present value using Excel. Net present value is a financial formula used to calculate, used to discount future cash flows. The calculation is performed to find out whether an investment is positive in the futures. Keep in mind that money is always worth more than today than in futures. That is why we discount the future cash flows. What else could you do with the money if not spent on this project? In this example, we will calculate the NPV over a 10-year period. Two, three. This is a 10-year period. The discount rate we will use is 10%. Remember that you have to mark this number with the percentage, not only 10. Step 1 is equals to formula NPV, double click or tab. Years. In the first year, we invest 100,000. Second year, 80,000. Third year, 95,000. Fourth year, 100,000, and so on. 100,000, 100,000. Total outflow will be 9,50,000. Today, what is the net present value? Comma. So now you can see net present value of this amount. Since our NPV is positive, it means that the investment or project is expected to generate a return that is greater than the cost of the investment and is therefore considered to be profitable. That's it. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel Soft Tech. Thank you.